87!
Naghanda na si Mitch para sa pagsisimula ng kanyang task.
Mitch,
Yes po.
handa ka na bang isayaw si Marie?
Yes po, kuya.
Handa na ba si Marie?
Handa ka na? Yes po, kuya. Yes daw po, kuya. Allah ka di ho.
Kasama na yan.
Oo.
Ala. Ay, nagbalik.
Ay, naku, ang bilis yun. Pwede ganun lang.
Yung first ko na napasok sa isip ko was talagang push your limits. Kasi alam ko na mahirap siya. Alam ko mabigat si Marie po. Even though focus talaga ako, seryoso ako sa task po. When I was holding Marie po, I was more of enjoying it. Sa second round na talaga po kuya, nahirapan na po ako. It really hurts my shoulders.
Go, Michael! Go, Michael!
Hirap!
Go, Michael!
Tela! That's when I realized na I can only hold that position for 2 rounds.
Di ba nang kamay sakit? Shoulders. Sakit ka na shoulders eh.
Kaya yung na-strategy ko was every 2 rounds, I switch the sides in which I hold Marie.
Ilang sandali pa, mukhang ramdam na ni Mitch ang pagod.
Midjas!
The most important by that task was talaga the mindset po kuya. Nagfo-focus talaga ako sa task.
Ang mga kasama, todo suporta naman kay Mitch.
Yung mga housemates din po kuya, they were so supportive. They were giving me water and food, ganun po kuya. Talaga helpful talaga while I was doing the task po kuya.
Ang pinakamahirap na part po kuya, yung kailangan niya po isayaw yung mannequin po si Marie. Kasi kung lalakarin niya lang po, madali lang, mas madali po yung trabaho. Pero yun, kailangan niya pa isayaw kuya. Naramdaman ko talaga yung pagod ni Mitch nun kuya.
Kaya mo yan. Kaya pa.
Kuya, nakita ko po talaga yung tiyaga niya at 88 beses niyang ikutin. So nakakapagod talaga yun, kuya.
As it got longer po, he got tired because the Marie is heavy as well po.
I was focusing on myself to get me through the task po and using my family as a motivation.
Hey, Tito!
If my mom is proud of me, my whole family is proud of me. So, yun po nasa isip ko the whole time. It was my family po. And that's why I don't give up easily.
Kahit pagod na pagod, hindi inenda ni Mitch ang sakit ng katawan.
Woo! Let's go!
I pushed my limits and I made a good strategy to keep on going.
86. Woo! Let's go, last two. $87!